In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro voting. If you've ever run a workshop, brainstorm, or planning session in Miro, you know how valuable it is to quickly surface priorities. The voting tool makes that easy and fair, giving everyone a set number of votes and tallying the results for you. Let's walk through exactly how to run a smooth voting session from start to finish. First, open your board from your Miro dashboard. Make sure everyone who needs to participate has access and is already on the board. It helps to tidy the canvas a bit so the options are clear and people don't waste time searching. Next, open the voting tool. On the left toolbar, click Apps or More Tools, then search for Voting and select it. The voting panel will appear on the screen. If you regularly use voting in your sessions, consider keeping the app pinned for quicker access later. Now set up your voting session. In the panel, choose how many votes each participant gets. Pick a number that matches your goal. A small number encourages focus, while a larger number allows people to support multiple ideas. Then select what objects can be voted on, such as sticky notes, shapes, or cards. Choosing only the relevant object types prevents accidental clicks on other items. Finally, specify the area you want to include or choose the entire board. Defining a clear area keeps attention where it matters most. When you're ready, start the session by clicking Start Voting Session. Everyone currently on the board will see the voting prompt appear. It's a good moment to remind participants what they're voting on and how many votes they have. Participants can now vote by clicking directly on the items you've enabled. Each click adds a vote, and a small counter appears on that item, visible only to the person voting until results are shown. If someone misclicks, they can simply click again to remove a vote and reallocate it. Encourage participants to use all of their votes and stay within the defined area. As the session runs, you can monitor or adjust it from the voting panel. If people need more time, extend it. If conversation breaks out, pause the session to keep things orderly. And if everyone finishes early, you can end the session right away. When you end the session, the results appear on the board. You'll see which ideas gathered the most support at a glance, making it easy to discuss top choices, identify clusters, and agree on next steps. That's all there is to it. Clear, efficient voting inside your Miro board.